Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to make chin chin with corn flour. Yes, I call it corn dough chin chin. It is very crunchy, it is very tasty, so make sure you watch this video till the end so that you get the full gist. Also cookies, yes, you can make your corn, you can use your corn flour to make a very crunchy and delicious cookie. So let's get at it. Alright then, so part of the reason for making this video is to show you that you can make your corn sticks or your kokoro with yellow corn flour, or you mix the yellow corn and the white corn together and grind to make your kokoro, just like the way I did, because some people have asked in the comment section. So you can always use yellow corn flour for your corn sticks. So after my dough has completely cooled, so I molded it into balls. So after molding, so you just need to lubricate your work surface with some corn flour and then place in the dough. So this video is for us to experiment. It's an experiment and explore. Let us explore how it's going to be if we make our corn sticks or our kokoro in another way. And also to make it easier, to make it faster and less stressful, if you don't want to go through the stress of rolling your corn sticks, because it could take time, yes, depending on the quantity. So this will make it easier and faster. So whichever way you want to adopt, let me know in the comment section. So first I sprinkled my corn flour on the dough just to check if it's not going to break, but the dough still break. Then for the second method, I tried it not to add corn flour on the dough just to check if it's going to break or not, but I discovered that there's no difference between the two. So you cut it into cubes. After trimming, you cut into chin chin shape. From kneading dough to rising high, every bake's a sweet goodbye. We could be right, the journey's clear. So you pick it up and separate it with your hands carefully, though it's still going to separate in the oil. If this is your first time of stopping by my channel, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. So our corn cubes is ready. And for the cookies, so I decided that I was going to lubricate my work table with oil and then rub in some little oil on the dough and then press gently. So when you are pressing, make sure you press gently. Do not apply so much force on it. So this snack, you can make it for your kids at home. It's not every time you have to consume the regular wheat flour. Can also make this and also sell. Now we are in the corn season, the dry corn season. We are in the dry corn season, so corn is cheaper now, especially if you're in Nigeria. You must have been seeing different products made from corn flour, like kokoro, like donkwa, etc. So this is the best time for you to jump into the business and try something out yourself, maybe for your family or for business. So this is how you should separate your dough after making cutting out your shape, and you have to pick it up gently so that it does not crumble. And when you are pressing, make sure it is not too thin and it is not too thick. And of course, I rolled some into sticks. So make sure your oil is hot, and that's one thing with yellow corn flour. You have to be careful to know if it is done or not. That is one downside about it. So, and here is the result. It was so crunchy. For me, I'll be trying out this chin chin method and also the cookies method. I really love it. It gave a special taste. It was crunchy. I was just throwing it into my mouth. And the cookies also, it was just like masa. So this is a fun snack with little ingredients, just your sugar, your onions, your garlic, and it's so simple and so delicious, so healthy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. If you want me to make any other video, let me know in the comment section. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. And of course, I made my regular corn sticks. It was beautiful with the yellow corn flour. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in my next video. Bye bye.